What's up, y'all? It's your girl Lips and Lashes here, back with another video. It's Back to Basics week, where I show you guys all the steps of my makeup routine in order, a separate video for each step. Today, yesterday I did an eyeshadow tutorial. The day before I did an eyebrow tutorial. And today, if you guessed it, what's my next step in my makeup routine? It's my foundation. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated foundation and highlight contour routine, step by step, showing you guys all the steps so you can really see how I get it done. So stay tuned if you want to see the next Back to Basic makeup look. What's up, ladies? Let's get started. I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation in the color Classic Tan, and we're going to use this to color correct around my mouth area and lower half of my face because it tends to get a little dark around those areas. So we're going to blend that out. We're using a flat brush or a sponge. Make sure you bring your foundation down your neck, ladies. You don't want anyone to clock you. Next, I'm going to take my real shade, which is Caramel Beige, and I'm going to put that all over my face using the same brush, just to blend it all. As you can tell, this one is closer to my skin tone color, and unlike the other one, which is my summer shade. I'm just blending that all over with the brush. If you're a sponge girl, you can do this with a sponge. It's all the same. Next, I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge, and using the flat side, I'm just going to blend all those colors together. Next, I'm taking my Infallible Full Wear Concealer from L'Oreal, and this is in the color Biscuit, and I'm using this to conceal. Really take your time if you do your eyeshadow first, like I do mine. Take your time around your eyes. I'm also making sure I'm blending that on top of my nose as well. You want to make sure you're blending, guys. And taking my time around my eyes. Now I'm going to take the color Oatmeal, and we're going to use this to highlight a bit because it's not bright enough for me. And I'm just concentrating that in the center of my face. You don't want any harsh lines, so take that back side of your sponge and blend it all in together. Okay, you guys, now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder, and I'm putting some in the cap. This is the color Medium, and I'm putting that on my sponge, and I'm patting it on my hand so it can stay nice and blended and really get in that sponge. I don't like to bake because my skin is a little dry. Patting that again just to make sure it really gets in the sponge, so it doesn't just sit on top of the skin but blends right into the skin. Next, I'm taking my True Match foundation powder in the color Nut Brown and a small angle brush. This one's from Wet n Wild, and I'm using that to start contouring my cheek area. I really want it to be defined, so I'm starting off with the darkest shade to contour. You want to go above those cheekbones, ladies. Next, I'm going to take this really dark powder from BH Cosmetics Contour Kit. And I'm just using that to really define that contour. It looks a little scary, but now I'm taking my Iman face powder in the color Dark Deep, and I'm taking a fluffier angled brush just to blend that all out. Next, I'm going to take my Studio Fix face powder in the color C6, and I'm just using this to blend that contour out and make it look just a little bit softer and define that contour. I'm going back with my Iman face powder, and now we're going to contour our nose using a smaller flat brush. I like to use my eyebrows as a guide. The beginning of your eyebrows straight down is where you should contour. And I have a little rounded tip, so I like to just go and make a U. Make sure you're blending this directly to your brows. Now I'm gonna add a little extra highlight using another flat brush. And I'm adding this right on the sides of where we made that contour just to make it look nice and perfect. Unclockable. Now that it looks like we can't breathe, we're gonna move on to blush. This one's from Milani. Whatever color blush you like the most, you want something that's complement to your skin tone. This is a nice pinky rosy blush. Now I'm going to take my highlight. This is Blossom Glow from Wet n Wild. And a fan brush, and I'm just highlighting my cheeks and my brow bone with this. Give us a little glow. Now I'm taking my pencil brush from Morphe, and we're going to use that to highlight the tip of my nose and down the bridge of my nose, just to really make that. Alright ladies, that completes my updated foundation routine. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. I forgot one important step whenever you're finished doing your whole complete foundation routine. You always want to use some setting spray. I use this one from Olay. This is the Energizing Mist. And it's just a mist, but it really brings your makeup back to life. If you want one that sets your makeup, I would suggest finding a setting spray that really sets your makeup in place. Alright you guys, make sure you go follow me on all the social medias. Snapchat, Instagram, _LipsNlashes, Facebook, Twilight Paris, and I'll see you guys on the next Back to Basics makeup look tomorrow, the last one of the week, you guys. See you guys later.